Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lamatamang. Today we are going to talk about Wonton Soup recipe. आज भने हामी wonton soup को रेसिपी लिएर आइसकेका छौँ र तपाईहरु माझमा र यसको बारेमा हामी मजाले कुराकानी गर्नेछौँ भने तपाईहरुले भिडियोलाई अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर साथ दिनु होला र यो चाहिँ तपाईहरुले थाहा नै छ wonton चाहिँ हाम्रो नेपालीमा पनि विभिन्न भर्जनमा मोमोहरु बनाउने गर्दछन् र एकदम पपुलर डिश पनि हो भने यो चाइनिजमा पनि यो wonton एकदम फेमस नै एउटा डिशमा पर्दछ र भिडियोलाई अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर सबैले साथ दिनु होला है त Chinese wonton soup recipe warm, light, and full of delicate flavor with the option for both Western and non-Western fillings. Wonton soup ingredients for the wontons: wonton wrapper about 20-25 pieces. Fillings choose one. Non-veg fillings: 150-gram minced chicken or pork, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon ginger finely grated, 1 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon spring onion finely chopped, pinch of white pepper and salt. Veg fillings: 1 cup finely chopped cabbage, 1.5 cup finely chopped mushroom, 1 tablespoon carrot grated, sesame seasoning as a non-veg version. For the soup broth: 4 cups chicken or vegetable stock, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 clove garlic mash, 1 slice ginger, 1 and 2 stalk sprig onion, chopped for garnish, bok choy or spinach leaves optional. Instruction: Step 1. Prepare the fillings. Mix your choice filling ingredients in a bowl until well combined. Place a small spoonful in the center of the wonton wrapper. Moisten edge with water. Fold in half diagonally fresh to seal, then bring the two ends together and pinch. There are many folding style, but this is the simplest style. Step number 2: prepare the broth in a pot. Hot stock with garlic and ginger. Simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Add soy sauce and sesame oil. Remove garlic and ginger before serving. Step number 3: cook the wonton. Bring a separate pot of water to boil gently. Boil, add wonton and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the float. If using greens like bok choy, blanch them in the simmer water for 1 minute. Step number 4: assemble flat cooked wontons and greens into serving bowls. Pour hot broth over them. Garnish with chopped spring onion. Serve hot. Tips: wonton wrapper are usually found in frozen section of Asian grocery store. For the shortcut, use store bought frozen wontons and just prepare broth fresh. Add a splash of rice vinegar for extra brightness. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there. Enjoy with your family, friends, or workplace. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनाले मेरो रेसिपी हेरिदिनु भएको र माया साथ सपोर्ट लागि। तपाईहरु जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ जस्तो हुनुहुन्छ मस्त स्वस्थ व्यस्त रहनु होला र आफ्नो लाइफलाई इन्जोय गर्नु होला। सी यू नेक्स्ट